All right, we are required to convert 27.12 to a number in base 5. 27.12, the base is not specified here. It means the base is actually base 10. So we're converting this number with a decimal point to another base. Let us get into it right away. Now we're going to have to take the whole number part. So let us take the whole number part of the problem, which is 27. Let us take 27 in base 10 and now convert it into base 2. And of course, that will be by a long division process. Let us do that right here. So we have a long division process. We're going to have to continue dividing by the base to which we want to convert until division is no longer possible. Let's go. 27. We want to convert this to base 5. Let's divide by 5 right away. 5 divides. 5 divides into 27. That will be 5 times with a remainder of 2. Further division, 5 divides into 5. That will give us 1. And that's a perfect division, so there is remainder 0. Now, 5 divides into 1. That is not possible, and therefore we write 0. And of course, this 1 becomes the remainder right here. Now, the remainder, they have to be written in the reverse order. Therefore, it means 27, the number in base 10, is actually equal to, in reverse order, from bottom to the top, 102. 102. And this is in base 5. Beautiful, very simple. Now, we are also going to take the decimal part. The decimal part is 0.12. And we're going to have to convert this to base 5. And this is by multiplication. Let us do that because it is decimal. So we take 0.12 and begin the process. 0.12 multiplied by the base to which we want to convert is 5. So 0.12 times 5 gives us 0.60. And now we have to take the decimal part again, 0.60. Once again, we continue the cycle. 0.60 multiply again by 5. 0.60 multiplied by 5 gives us 3.00. And immediately we have these digits, decimal points, and we have zeros at the end of it. It signals a stop. This means we end the operation. Because now, if we have to take 0.00 and multiply by 5, we keep getting a 0. Now, the whole number part, namely 0 and 3, we have to be written from the top to the bottom this time around. Top to the bottom. And that means we have our 0.12 originally in base 10 gives from top to the bottom 0.03. Because of course this is a decimal. 0.12 is a decimal, so we have to have 0.03 downwards. And it implies now at the final analysis, the original question, 27.12 in base 10 is now equal to the final answer. We're going to have to take the parts together. First, 102, we have to be combined with 0.03 to give the final form of the answer. And we have, by doing that, we have 102.03. Now in base 5, our final answer. Very simple. And that is actually the option B right there. Option B is the answer. Now there are questions attached as quizzes to this video. I'll try to solve the 2 of them. And of course, if you're very sure of your understanding of number bases, you can take the quiz to test your knowledge, test your mastery of the topic number bases. 30 questions, find the link in the pinned comment. 30 questions to be solved in 30 minutes. And if you also wish to study the full presentation of the topic number basis, the link is provided in the pinned comments. Thank you for being part of the session. Please like, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. See you in the next video.